Hello students, in previous part we have discussed about the anatomy of digestive system in earthworm, and in this part we will discuss on circulatory system in earthworm. Circulatory system in earthworm. As we know that in earthworm closed circulatory system can be consist. Closed. It means the blood flows from heart to blood vessels and then all parts of the body. So, closed circulatory system present in earthworm. Especially, firstly we have to draw the diagram of an earthworm. Earthworm is a cylindrical in structure. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We have to draw the 15 segment in circulatory system of an earthworm. Firstly, before the circulatory system, we also draw the structure of alimentary canal. We know that in first segment, mouth is present. First to second chamber, it contains buccal cavity. Third to fourth chamber, it contains pharynx. And from 4 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. From 5th, or you can say that from 3rd to 4 to 8 chamber, it contains esophagus. In 8 to or 9, it changes into a special compact that is called grinder or gizzard. And from 9 to 14th chamber, it contains a small portion of stomach. Then it changes into a wider portion that is known as intestine. Just like this is the alimentary canal in earthworm. But in this part we have to discuss about the circulatory system in earthworm. Firstly, this is the dorsal portion and this is the ventral part. Just like when this is the dorsal part and this one is ventral, and side portion is known as lateral. तो इसके side वाला कौन सा है? Lateral portion. This is the side views. Just above the upper to the alimentary canal, a small vein or artery is arises. A large blood vessels present. Which starting from the last chamber to the second or first chamber. This large tube is known as a dorsal blood vessel. This is the dorsal blood vessels. Dorsal side a large tube in which blood circulate, that is known as from last to first chamber तक जो जाती है फर्स्ट चैम्बर में जाकर के ये कुछ ट्यूबल्स में अराइज हो जाती हैं. That is called dorsal blood vessels. What are the features of dorsal blood vessels? The first one is it is contractile. It is contractile means contract होती रहती है. Second one is it is a valvular tube means this tube consists valve. इस ट्यूब के अंदर वाल्व होते हैं so that the blood can flow only in one direction. तो वाल्व कहाँ पे, जैसे 14 चैम्बर है, एक वाल्व यहाँ प्रेजेंट है बीच में, 13 चैम्बर के बीच में वाल्व प्रेजेंट होती है. These are the valve which is present in the middle of the segments in 14 segment and 13 segments. So valvular means These tubes consist valve so that the blood flows only in one direction, not both the direction. And in this tube, blood flows from posterior to anterior part. Means इसमें blood का जो circulation होता है कुछ इस वे से posterior part से anterior की तरफ होता है. तो blood circulate from posterior to anterior part. मतलब पिछले हिस्से से ब्लड का सर्कुलेशन अगले हिस्से तक होता है. These are the features of dorsal blood vessels. And one more tube arises from the first segment to the last segments towards the ventral part. Towards the ventral part, and this tube is known as a ventral blood vessels. This is called ventral blood vessels. डॉर्सल ब्लड वेसल के जो फीचर्स थे कुछ इसके भी फीचर्स होते हैं. क्या फीचर्स होते हैं? जस्ट ऑपोजिट टू द डॉर्सल ब्लड वेसल्स. इट इज कॉन्ट्रेक्टाइल, इट डज नॉट कॉन्ट्रेक्टाइल, नॉट कॉन्ट्रेक्टाइल. The second one is it is valvular, means it contains valve. It doesn't contain valve, not valvular. And third one is, in this blood vessel, blood flows from posterior to anterior, and in this tube or in this blood vessel, blood passes from anterior to posterior. Blood circulates from anterior to posterior. All the features are opposite in ventral blood vessel to the dorsal blood vessels. Clear? One more blood vessels is also present in from 9th segments to 14th segments, or you can say that 13th segments. One more blood vessel which is present just above the alimentary canal from 9th segments to 13th segments. This is known as supraesophageal blood vessels. Why this is called supra? Because it is present just above the esophageal, means food pipe के ऊपर present होती है. कहाँ से कौन से segment में? From 9th segments to 13th segments. This is known as supraesophageal blood vessels. One pair of blood vessels also present towards the lateral side, means this is the dorsal side, this one is the ventral, and these are the portion which are towards the aside. This is called lateral. और lateral side में भी एक long tube, one pair of tube, one pair मतलब एक लेफ्ट की तरफ एक राइट की तरफ, वन पेयर ऑफ ट्यूब राइज होती है. कहां से? सेकेंड चैम्बर, यानी स्टार्टिंग से लेकर के और 13 चैम्बर तक. एक फ्रंटल पोर्शन में, एक बैकवर्ड पोर्शन में, मतलब लेटरल पोर्शन में है तो पेयर है. दिस इज द लेटरल ब्लड वेसल्स. लेटरल blood vessels, and these are in pairs. एक फ्रंटल में एक बैकवर्ड में प्रेजेंट होती है. These are the arrangement of blood vessel into the earth form, and there are 4 heart-like structure present in earth form. These are not heart; they are valve. They are the large vessels, but they seem just like a heart. So you can say that there are 4 or 2 pairs of heart present in the earthworm. One pair is present in 7th or 9th segment, and the second one is present in 12th or 13th segment. One pair of किस प्रकार से? वन पेयर जो प्रेजेंट है जो कि 7 सेगमेंट के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, 7 से लेकर के वेंट्रल जो लार्ज ब्लड वेसल होते हैं किसको, डोर्सल को, जो वेंट्रल से जोड़ने का काम करती है। One heart is present in 7th chamber and one is in 9th chamber, which attached to the dorsal blood vessel to the ventral blood vessels. One pair, कौन कौन से में, one pair heart is present, not heart just like as a blood vessel, wider blood vessel, but we can say that heart is present in 7th और 9th segments. क्या काम करता है, it attached to the dorsal blood vessel to the ventral blood vessels. किससे, dorsal blood vessels को अटैच करता है to ventral blood vessel. This one pair of heart is called lateral heart. These are called lateral heart, जो कि 7th और 9th सेगमेंट में प्रेजेंट है। डोर्सल ब्लड वेसल को वेंट्रल से अटैच कर, इसलिए क्या बोलते हैं इसको, लेटरल हार्ट, 7th और 9th में। And one more pair of heart-like structure present in 12th and 13th segments. 12th और 13th segments के अंदर जो प्रेजेंट होता है, इसको आप देख करते हैं ताकि इसमें सीधा स्ट्रक्चर शो हो जाए। वन पेयर दिस वन, दूसरा जो पेयर है जो 12th और 13th सेगमेंट्स में प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन यहां याद रखना ये डोर्सल और वेंट्रल को तो जोड़ता ही जोड़ता है, उसके साथ साथ ये सुप्रा को भी कनेक्ट करने का काम करता है। एक 12th में और एक 13th चैम्बर के अंदर। और यहां जो दूसरे प्रकार का पेयर ऑफ हार्ट है, ये सुप्रा ब्लड वेसल्स को भी, सुप्रा एसोफिजियल ब्लड वेसल उसको भी अटैचमेंट करता है। यहां सिर्फ डोर्सल को वेंट्रल से, ये डोर्सल को वेंट्रल जो अटैच करता ही करता है, साथ में सुप्रा को भी, इसलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं, दिस पेयर ऑफ हार्ट विच इज प्रेजेंट इन 12th एंड 13th पेयर लेटरल एसोफिजियल हार्ट। And one pair of more arises just a attachment site in 9th and 10th segments. एक जोड़ा और एंटीरियर लूप के रूप में प्रेजेंट है जो 9th और 10th सेगमेंट में प्रेजेंट है, दैट अटैच टू सुप्रा टू द लेटरल ब्लड वेसल्स, जो सुप्रा को लेटरल ब्लड वेसल से अटैचमेंट करता है। ओनली सुप्रा टू लेटरल। This pair is known as anterior loop. Anterior loop. This anterior loop only attached to supra blood vessels to the lateral blood vessels, so that all the body can blood supply would be easily. And after that, you can say that the lateral blood vessel after 13th chamber, it just change into branches towards the left side, जो posterior portion वहां तक branches में. And after 15 chambers, the blood vessels arises in whole the body. Thus the blood circulation can be fully supplied to the whole body. यानी 15 चैम्बर के बाद ब्लड वेसल मोर अमाउंट में हो जाती है, जिसके कारण से पूरी होल बॉडी को ब्लड की सप्लाई इजीली मिल जाती है, जिसके कारण से आप वो मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. मसल्स के अंदर ब्लड का प्रेशर होता है, जिसके कारण से ये मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. तो यू कैन सी दैट सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, there are two blood vessels. One is dorsal side, that is known as dorsal blood vessels. These are the features of dorsal blood vessels. And one towards the lower portion ventral side, that is known as ventral blood vessels. And these are the features of ventral blood cell. One more blood vessel which is arises from the 9th segment to 13th segment, just above the alimentary canal, which is known as supraesophageal blood vessels. And two or one pair of blood vessels towards the lateral side, one is towards the frontal and one is backward, that nearly to the esophageal or alimentary canal, which is known as, which arises from the first segment to the 13th chamber. After 13th chamber, it change into branches. This is known as lateral blood vessels, which is present in pair. One is frontal and other one is the backward. There are 4 or 2 pairs of heart-like structure present in earthworm. No, these are not heart. Actually, these are the wider blood vessels, but they are known as heart. One pair of present heart in 7th and 9th segment, which attach to dorsal blood vessel to the ventral, that is known as a lateral heart. And one pair of heart is present in 12th and 13th segment. This one pair, second pair of heart, which also attach the dorsal to ventral as well as the supraesophageal, so it is known as a lateral esophageal heart. lateral supraesophageal heart भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि supra से भी अटैच करता है ये. And one more pair of attachment which attach to the supra to the lateral blood vessels, which present in 9th and 10th segment, that is known as anterior loop. In earthworm, after the 15th chamber, the blood vessels are present numerous, so that the blood supplies can be performed in the earthworm and it complete its life cycle. Clear?